abundant blessings upon them all. And to all of you present here, we wish a truly blessed and grace-filled feast of Saint Francis Xavier.
आता आम्ही of divine bondage पुस्तिकाची उक्तावणी करतल्या. The epic life of Saint Joseph Vaz, written by Oscar de Noronha, forward by Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrell. The book has 11 chapters covering the life of Saint Joseph Vaz, maps, pictures, and 5 appendices, which include 2 interviews with Father Urbin Monteiro, former vice postulator, and Father Eremito Ribeiro, present vice postulator, covering the 303 years from the saint's death up to his canonization. The books are available for sale at the Pendole opposite the cathedral. I kindly request His Grace Cardinal Oswald Gracious to release this book and then to say some few words of thanks.
I am happy to release this book of Divine Bondage, The Epic Life of St. Joseph Vaz, the forward by Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrell. The book is written by Oscar de Noronha. Here's the book. Thank you. And as we come to the conclusion of this very beautiful Eucharist, so well organized, I want to say a word of thanks also, if you permit me. First of all, of course, to Father Savio Barreto, the rector over here, for the excellent arrangements in this very big crowd. It is lots of logistic planning and foreseeing an army of volunteers, but everything's been so smooth and so fast, speedily also. Thank you, Father Savio, and all your team. I want to say also thank you to Father Alfred Vaz. Just before the coming over here, I went to Father Alfred Vaz's exposition over there, the exhibition, and I could see how the two have been so well integrated for a very profitable experience. My congratulations, of course, to the captain of the team, Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrell, who guided the whole planning of this. For me, it's been a spiritual experience to come over here once again. I'm grateful for the invitation to preside at this Mass. Spiritual experience to come once again over here to pray at the tomb of St. Francis Xavier, his relics, and to remind myself, as I remind others, about the origins of our faith and the challenges of our faith. I'm sure this experience, spiritual experience, will bring many graces for us, and I am so particularly want to acknowledge all service done. Our friends from Spain and Portugal who have come over here. It's a joy to have you over here on this big occasion. We are grateful to Spain, grateful to Portugal for the gift of Francis Xavier to us and for the faith for us. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sure you'll have a pleasant stay here. Carry back with you pleasant memories of India, of Goa, India, and the Indian people. And let's be united in prayer. I come from the Archdiocese of Bombay, and I bring to Goa also, as you know, Goa and Mumbai have been very much linked. There are so many from Goan origin in Mumbai working over there, migrants, and the two dioceses very much linked. I bring warm greetings to each one of you from the Diocese of Mumbai, from all the Goan people and the non-Goan people also. We've got a large mix. These two sister churches, I see so much of similarity every time I come to Goa, and I'm sure these two sister churches can strengthen each other. Thank you, Archbishop Philip Neri, once again.
Nimana Ashirvad Gyungsoli Ubiroya.
I invite all my brother bishops to join me in the final blessing. सर्वेश्वर तुमचे सोबे आसूं. तुमची तोकली मागुया. सर्वपदेला देव कोणवालायेन आपलो आशीर्वाद तुमचेर घालूं आनी सोडवून दिवपी जानवायेची ओळख तुमकां फावो करूं. आमेन. बाबाळताचे शिकवणेन तो तुमकां पोसूं आनी बऱ्या कोण्यांनी थिरायेन वाडोवंक तुमकां कृपा दिवं. आमेन. शांती समाधानाची वाटेर तुमची पावलां सांबाळून तोच मोगार देव तुमकां आपणाशी चलोवन व्हरूं. आमेन. आनी सोर पदेदा देवाचो पापाचो आनी पुताचो आनी पवित्र आत्म्याचो आशीर्वाद तुमचेर देवूं आनी तुमचे सोवे सदां आसूं. मी सोंपलें. वचून येया.
भक्तीपणी आनी व्हडा दबाज्यान भाग्यवन फ्रांसीस शावेराची परब समोर आमी घरा वेतना ताच्याच मानाक आमी शेवटाक गीत गावया. सांत फ्रांसिस्क शावेरा तुमच्या हात पानार ते मेळटा.